Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at home, children. Once again, you all welcome back in moral science video, and children, this is my third video of this week. And in this video today, you all are going to complete the page number 11 of this chapter. Chapter is chapter 2, and the name of the chapter, Love God's Creatures. Okay, before completing the page number 11, children, I would like to tell you about this chapter at a glance, because already I explained this chapter very nicely. Okay, children, so what? Love God's creature. Yes, children, we should love and care for God's creature. We need love and care for God's creature, because love is a special feeling. Okay, and what? Love is a special feeling that fills the heart when you love someone. Okay, and what? You treat them with affection and do little things to make them happy, children. So what? And the name of the story, Rohit and the Loving Cat. They what? At beginning, children, you all have seen that cat. What? Rohit was an happy child. He always thought that I have no friends, nobody loves me. Okay, but one day a cat hid under Rohit's bed, and because his paw hurt. Okay, his what? Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw. Paw, it means animal. What animals put there? You can say cat foods. Okay, so now Rohit started nursing to the cat. Okay, and started nursing to the cat. He gave medicine to get well recover fast. Okay, soon Rohit and the cat become good friends. Rohit hearts was full of love for the cat. Okay, so what after the children? Now at last, children, Rohit become a good Rohit become a happy child, because now he has many friends. Yes, now Rohit has many friends. Okay, many new friends. Now they all play together happily with the kittens, because after few months cat gave birth to 4 kittens. Okay, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. So at last Rohit become a happy child. Okay, children, so now after that, today you all will complete the page number 11. Okay, so let's start, children. Yes, choose the right answer, which will be the correct option you have to take. Okay, in the beginning, children, Rohit was a sad boy, a happy boy. Do you know? Yes, in the beginning Rohit was a sad boy. There you will fill a sad boy, or you can say Rohit was an unhappy child. Okay, children, unhappy, it means sad, because he thought that nobody loves me here, because so I have no friends. So in the beginning Rohit was a sad boy. Now Rohit was sad because, why was he sad, children? Because option number A is written he had no food, or second number it has written he did not have any friends. He had no foods. No, this is wrong. So option in second number, option number B is correct. What? He did not have any friends. That's why what, children? Rohit was sad because he did not have any friends. But at last, children, he become a happy child, because now Rohit had many new friends. He played with them. Okay, he played all together, and what, also with love and care. Okay, and new friends, and now they all play together happily with the kittens, children, because at what, cat gave birth to 4 kittens. Okay, children, and what, the other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens. So Rohit had many new friends. Okay, children, so at last he became a happy child. But at beginning he was an unhappy child. So but there is written Rohit was sad, because at beginning he had he did not have any friends. So 2B is the correct option, B number. Okay, children, now next, Rohit started Rohit started to love the cat and he always felt. Rohit started to love the cat and he felt what? Sad? No. Rohit started love the cat and he felt happy. Yes, he felt happy. There you will take happy of 3A. Option number A is the correct. Okay. Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay, children. So what? Rohit started love the cat and he felt what he always felt, happy. HAPPY, happy. Okay, children. Because Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. He what? Why? Because Rohit and the cat became good friends. Okay, children. So what? Rohit started to love the cat and he felt happy. Now next one is here. When we love and serve others, we feel sad? No, we feel happy. When we love and serve others, we feel happy. So for A there you will write, you will take. Okay, children, because we know what love is a special feelings that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with affection and do little things to make them happy. So when you love and serve other, we feel happy. HAPPY, happy. Now after that, in this page also you will children, you will do one more thing. Write down the special provided below and the names some peoples whom you love. Yes, whom you love you will write here. Like we love not only we love the God's creatures, like also we love our mothers, fathers, okay, our friends, our teachers. So there you will write to whom you love, you will write there. I like you, I have written, you can see I love my mother, I love my father, and you all are knowing the reason, because our parents, they sacrifices their rest and comfort for us. Okay, mothers do many things for us, our friends, okay, and our teachers, okay, because they teach us. Okay, children. So now this page has completed. Okay, children. So after that, once again I am just making you revise. Choose the right answer. In the beginning, Rohit was a sad boy, so 1A. Okay, Rohit was sad because he did not have any friends. 2B, Rohit started to love the cat and he always felt what? Happy, because he started to love his heart what? Full of love with care. When we love and serve others, we feel happy. There you will write 4A, 3A and also 4A. Okay, children. So now after one more thing, you all are going to do the good habits. Yes, today you all will also write the good habits, children. Yes, you should always what? Always use good habits. You should always apply in your life what good things in your life. Okay, children. So now here is some good habits you all have to learn, and you all will write down in your copy. And what? Okay, like first you can see, we should get up early in the morning. Yes, children, when you will get up early in the morning, you will feel fresh. Okay, and not only you should get up early in the morning, you should also go to the bed at night. You should go early. Okay, that's why it is said that early to bed and early to ride makes the man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay, so we should get up early in the morning. Now next one is here, we should greet what? Next number is here, second number is good habit. We should greet our parents, teachers and classmates. Yes, when we meet to them, we should say good morning, hello, we ask how are you. So we should greet our parents, teachers and classmates. Okay, children. Now after that, third, we should brush our teeth twice in a day. Twice, it means 2 times. Yes, children, you should brush your teeth twice a day. Early in the morning, okay, and at night after taking dinner and before going to the bed. Okay, children, you should brush your teeth twice in a day. Okay, children. Now we should take bath daily. Yes, do you know why should we take bath daily, children? Because it removes sweat and dust from our body. So children, okay, so we should take bath every day. Okay, children. Now next, we should pray to God every day. Yes, because God is the powerful protector. He is everywhere. Okay, when we are in problem, we should also, in that time also, we should pray, children. Okay, so we should always pray to God every day. That's why it has written, we should pray to God every day. Okay, now we should complete our homework on time. Yes, when you will complete your homework on time, children, everyone will loves you, your teacher will loves you. So what, you should always complete your homework on time, children. Okay, because your time is very precious, and you should do your work on time. Okay, now, so and the last one is here, what, we should take our meals on time. Yes, children, you should take our meals on time. Early in the morning you all take breakfast, so you should take on time. What, in afternoon you all take lunch, and at night you all take dinner. So children, we take 3 meals in a day, you should take on time. Okay, children, what, when you will take your meals on time, you will what become a taller, stronger. Okay, children, so what, children, you should take our meals on time. Okay, children, so hope you all have understood these good habits. At home, children, you all will learn. Okay, and just write down in your copy and decorate the space. Okay, so children, today's homework, first you will complete the page number 11, and then after you will write some good habits. Okay, so hope you all have understood very nicely. So for today, once again, I would like to say you thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye, you all.